Embark with us on a captivating journey into the microscopic world of fish sauce, an integral ingredient deeply embedded in Filipino culinary tradition. As we peer through the lens, we're greeted by a mesmerizing array of rich amber hues and intricate patterns, each droplet of fish sauce unveiling a narrative steeped in centuries-old heritage and culinary mastery. Under the microscope, we uncover the enigmatic secrets concealed within this humble condiment. Tiny particles and delicate structures pirouette before our eyes, each contributing to the distinctive flavor profile that sets fish sauce apart from other culinary sauces. With each magnified view, we're entranced by the intricate dance of light and shadow, exposing the nuanced complexity of fish sauce's composition. From the intricate web of amino acids to the abundance of umami-rich compounds, each element harmonizes seamlessly to create a symphony of flavors that delight the palate and conjure cherished memories of home-cooked meals shared with cherished loved ones.